The BP1530 Booster Pump is probably the coolest pump we have at GrowoniX. Using less than 2 amps of power, can take all of our small water filters, 400 gallons a day and under, up to 80 psi. It's really the solution for any kind of low pressure situation that you may encounter. A lot of people have low water pressure, and in the middle of winter when the water's colder and thus more dense and harder to push through a membrane, low water pressure, cold water make for a poorly performing RO system. The answer is a BP1530 Booster Pump. On the cover of the box, you will see a flow rate chart. And it will show you, with every water system that it works with every water filter system that we make, and at what temperature, what the resultant flow rate will be. So there's no guessing. You can look and see, I have a GX200 HF at 60 degrees, 70 psi, this is how much water it's going to make. And this chart is spot on. I should add that this BP1530 also works with a GX or EX600 as well. There'll be a video in the 600 category where you can see it work with that. This video, though, we're just going to talk about the 400 gallon a day and smaller 2-to-1 ratio reverse osmosis systems. The BP1530 has a high pressure cutoff switch, which when married to a system with a float valve will automatically shut the pump off when the float valve is in the closed position. You could have a ball valve downstream and turn it off manually, and the pressure that builds up in the line will trip the pressure switch and shut this pump off as well. So it can be run automatically or manually. Either way, the high pressure cutoff will shut the pump off, you don't have to unplug it. The BP1530 is also pressure adjustable. That means you can set it at whatever pressure you wish to have it at. Just don't set it above 80 psi. It can siphon water up to about 12 feet. So that means you could run this off a rain barrel or any collection of water, a pond, swimming pool. This will siphon the water from the storage container and then lift the pressure up to 80 psi and pump it through an RO system. So that's about the coolest pump in the world. Let's unbox it. Inside you're going to find the user manual, the pressure adjustment wrench, the power transformer, which we'll unbox right now, the BP1530 pump, and the high pressure switch.